Have you ever wanted to know how to make delicious homemade dog food for your dogs? Listen to them. Come on, guys, I'm begging ya. Males here. Have you ever wondered how to make delicious dog food at home for your dogs? Well, you came to the right place. I usually cook food that people eat, but today I'm cooking homemade dog food. I'll show you what I feed to my dogs. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm Dave, you're watching Dave Taste Buds, and welcome back. I've got a very different kind of episode for you today. If you've watched all of my episodes, you've probably caught on that I have two dogs. I have Brady and I have Oliver, and they're great. They're in the other room right now, resting on the couch because they went barking at the mail person. I record episodes almost every single Saturday, sometimes two, sometimes three at a time. So they're very well behaved. They only bark when somebody goes by the house. So they deserve the best, and the best for them is this homemade dog food. We're talking ground chicken, brown rice, a mixture of broccoli and cauliflower, and a pinch of rosemary for flavor. They love it. It's easy to make, and I'm gonna show you how to make it so you can turn around and start feeding it to your dogs too. So let's get into it. Okay, this is so easy to make. The amounts and the recipe are down below, so check them out. And I'm gonna make it for a double batch, but I'm gonna say it as if it's a single batch, and the description below is for a single batch too. So it's just a combination of ground chicken, rice, vegetables, and a little bit of rosemary. That's it. So the first thing we're gonna do, put our ground chicken right into our pot. I'm gonna get this ground up, a little bit separated. This, by the way, is a great tool. I just got this off Amazon. It's on my Amazon storefront. There's a link to my Amazon storefront below. A pretty small channel still, so I don't have any sponsors. So I did find a way to get into the Amazon influencer program. So I do have a storefront on Amazon. So if you want to check out any of the cooking equipment I use, any of the lighting I use, my cameras, anything is down below in the description. So if you buy anything through there, it kind of helps me out. And I could use the support because I'm still starting out and I'm still growing. So anyway, back to our dog food. So we're gonna take our ground chicken. We're just gonna kind of break it up a little bit. There we go. Sorry for the loud banging. Nice. Oh, I got a big blob of it on the ground. This is 2 cups of rice. Like I said, I'm doing a double batch. This is our water, goes right in. This is going to be 12 cups. You're only gonna need 6. 1 teaspoon rosemary. That goes in now too. Oh, you know what? I should have held on to that. There you go. You just gonna wanna give it a stir. Make sure everything's kind of mixed together, broken up. It's like we're making soup. All right, that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put this on the stove. We're gonna get it up to a simmer. Here we go. Then, obviously, our broccoli and cauliflower is kind of big at this point. My dogs are relatively small. Oliver's only like 10, 11 pounds. So he's not down for these huge chunks of broccoli. So while that's doing that, I just give my broccoli and cauliflower kind of a rough chop. And this isn't their favorite part of this dog food. So I try to get it nice and small so they can't go through and pick the larger pieces out, which they tried to do when I first started doing this. So you gotta make these pieces small enough that they just eat them right up and hardly even notice. Chop, chop, chop. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now that we got this all chopped up, back into the bowl. Oops. Losing some. There we go. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to bring that up to a boil. As soon as it boils, I'm going to lower it to a simmer, and I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to let it simmer for, I think it's, well, at this size, I think it's about 30 minutes. So I'm going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to let it simmer. I'll correct myself with the time once it's done, just to let you know, and it'll be in the description below. So go down below and check it out for the time. And then, yeah, then we'll pop this in. So sit tight. So now that we've had this simmering for about 20-25 minutes, it's right to the point where it's really starting to cook off that rice. Our liquid has gone down, obviously, quite a bit. So now's the time that we want to add our vegetables in here. This is a combination of broccoli and cauliflower. This is almost, I guess it's a little over half a pound total. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that right in there. I'm going to just mix this up, get this incorporated in there. Give it a stir. It's a little hot on the side. There we go. And I mean, I gotta tell you, you can smell the rosemary. It actually smells pretty delicious. So now that we've got that mixed in, we're just gonna kind of level that off. We're gonna turn our heat back up now that we've put in some cold vegetables. And we're just gonna let this simmer for another probably 5-10 minutes. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes with our broccoli and cauliflower simmering in here. And this is what you get. It's a delicious mixture of chicken, vegetables, rice, and a little rosemary. So yeah, in the past 5 or 10 minutes, this has really come together, and the sun's come out. So I was checking some footage from before and I saw how bright it was. So I shut off some of my camera lights. I let the natural sunlight take over. I let Brady outside, and Oliver's pretty much been barking ever since. So here we go. That's it. And this will fill probably 4 of these deli cups, maybe 4.5. And I'll go through one of these probably every 5 days, something like that. So it does make quite a bit. This is a double batch. So yeah, you got one dog, you got a smaller dog, you got one really big dog. This will probably last you 2 weeks, something like that. It's easy to do. Every 10 days, 14 days, make more. It's so easy. So I want to thank you for watching. Like I said, this is the first video I've ever done with dog food. All of my other videos are actual people food. So check out my other videos. I got one up here. I got one down here that Amazon thinks you, not Amazon, that YouTube thinks you might like. So check it out. Go to my channel. You know, start following me, subscribe, like the video, do all those things. And once you're done doing all of that, go cook dog food.